Alright, to set reminder on the Vivo V40, we would need to open calendar first. And for that I'm gonna trigger my drawer and find the calendar. Here is how it looks. Now we need to tap it to open. And now we can see the month, which is December. You can tap on it and switch to any other month from the list, or you can tap on these three lines, go in the scheduled option, and that is how your calendar will look now. So let's select December, return back to this month format, and now we will need to tap on the plus, and here we have two options, event and task. So also you can tap on the date, select the time, and here just enter something like that. But for now, let's tap on the plus and select an event. So here we would need to enter something, for example, work. After that, we can select to run it all day, or we can choose the date and time manually by tapping it like that. Here you can select the time, just the time zone, and repeat. You cannot repeat that reminder, or you can select any other option from the list and even set your custom one. For example, let's repeat every day. Here you can add some people and add video conferencing, add location, and you can just select time to remind 30 minutes before, or for example 5 minutes before. Let's select this option. Here you can choose another color, let it be grape, and add short description. I'm gonna just use emojis to show you this as an example. And now you can also add Google Drive attachment. And after that, to save and set this reminder, you would need to click this save button, and that is how it will look. We can tap on the plus and select task for now and do just the same thing. We can add some details, set repeat, and let's save it, and that is how task will look in your calendar. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.